Let's remove a watermark using PixVerse without using an app. Let's get right to it. Alright, y'all, follow me. Go to your PixVerse account. Now on the left side panel, take your cursor all the way down to your asset folder. Now click on it. Now choose the photo that you want to remove the watermark from. So there's no need to download the video yet, because it will add the watermark. So skip this part to download. There's no need to do this. Alright, so next step, take your cursor to a blank space on your screen. Right left click on your mouse. When that box opens, click Save As, Save, and Save. Now we're going to click on a blank space again. Right left click on your mouse, scroll all the way down to Inspect. A box will pop up with a bunch of codes. Don't stress, just follow my steps exactly what I'm sharing. Okay, go to the 3 dots on the top right hand screen, click that. A box will open. Now click on the first icon in the dark side. You will do this step 2 times. Take your cursor all the way to the left side of that box. Click the box with an arrow in it 1 time. Now bring your cursor to your video to highlight it. Click on your video. The box to your right just highlighted a bunch of codes. Bring your cursor to that link. Click on that link to highlight it, and then open the box. Now scroll to go to that link. Click it. Y'all just did it. Watermark will no longer be there as you see on my video. In that area, just click on the 3 dots, lower right hand corner, to download it. Just go to the download file and open it. If this helped you out, be sure to leave a comment down below. But thanks for watching. Hope this makes your life easier as it has done for me. Be sure to like, comment, share, all that good stuff. And don't forget to turn on your notification bell to stay connected. Alright, y'all, bless up. Deuces.